In 1997, scientists recorded a sound so powerful, it was heard over 3,000 miles away, deep in the Pacific Ocean. They called it the Bloop. At first, they thought it was a massive sea creature, something bigger than a blue whale. But the sound came from 9 kilometers below the surface, where no known animal could survive. Later, they claimed it was just ice breaking. But no one could explain why it happened only once. Some still believe it wasn't ice at all, but something woke up.